Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mental health and physiology are closely related fields that focus on understanding and improving emotional, psychological, and social well being. Here is an overview of the key concepts and areas within these fields. Mental health definition. Mental health refers to a person's condition with regards to their physiological and emotional well being. It encompasses how we think, feel, and behave in our daily lives. Common mental health disorder. Number first, we have anxiety disorder. Includes generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, and specific phobias. At number two, we have mood disorder. Includes major depressive disorders, bipolar disorder, and dysthymia. At number three, we have psychotic disorder. Includes schizophrenia and schizoaffective disorders. At number four, we have eating disorder. Includes anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. At number five, we have personality disorder. Includes borderline personality disorder, antisocial personality disorder, and narcissistic personality disorder. At number six, we have obsessive compulsive unrelated disorders. Includes obsessive compulsive disorder (OCD) and hoarding disorder. At number seven, we have post traumatic stress disorder (PTSD), a condition triggered by experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event. Factors influencing mental health. Biological factors, genetics, brain chemistry, and physical health. Psychological factors, coping skills, personality traits, and life experiences. Environmental factors, family dynamics, social relationships, and culture influence. Treatment options. At number one, we have psychotherapy, also known as talk therapy, includes cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), dialectical behavior therapy (DBT), and psychodynamic therapy. At number two, we have medications, antidepressants, anti-anxiety medications, antipsychotics, and mood stabilizers. At number three, we have lifestyle change, exercise, diet, sleep hygiene, and stress management techniques. At number four, we have support groups, peer support, and group therapy sections. Psychology definition. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It seeks to understand and explain how people think, act, and feel. The major branches of psychology is clinical psychology, focus on diagnosing and treating mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. At number two, we have cognitive psychology, studies mental processes such as perceptions, memory, and problem solving. At number three, we have development psychology, examines psychological growth and changes throughout the lifespan. At number 4, we have social psychology. Explores how people, thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the actual or imagined presence of others. At 5, we have industrial organizational psychology. Applies psychology principles to workplace environments to improve productivity and well being. At number 6, we have neuropsychology. Studies the relationship between brain functions and behavior. Key concepts in psychology: behaviorism, focus on observable behavior and the ways they are learned. Cognitive theory emphasizes internal mental processes and how they influence behavior. Humanistic psychology highlights individual potential and the importance of growth and self actualization. Psychoanalysis, founded by Freud, it explores how unconscious motives influence behavior. Biopsychological model integrates biological, psychological, and social factors in understanding health and illness. Research methods, experimental methods, controlled experiments to establish cause and effects. Correlation studies examine the relationship between the various or variables without implying causations. Longitudinal studies observe the same subject over a long period. Case study: in depth analysis of a single individual or group. Surveys collect data from a large number of respondents. Understanding mental health and psychology is critical for promoting well being, diagnosing and treating disorders, and applying this knowledge to improve aspects of life, from individual effectives to the organizational functioning. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.